English class. Learn, speak, write. 5 daily sentences to sound smart in English. The first one. Instead of just saying thanks, you can use I appreciate your help. It means a lot. Second is instead of what or I don't get it, you can use could you please clarify what you mean? So it's more formal. Number third one is one need time to think before answering. You can use instead of that you can use like let me get back to you on that. The fourth one is sounds thoughtful and respectful in a discussion when you are more respectful. The answer is that's a great point. I hadn't considered it. And the last one, when you want to show responsibility and confidence, you can use I'll make sure to take care of it right away. Thank you.